One, there will be no 2 p.m. reading today. So if anyone comes on, they can get a reading now. Second is this. It's really a continuation of my two Facebook lives this morning. I just got a message from a friend of mine, and she reminded me of something because it began the videos began with about family, and I wanted to talk about something else, but that just took over, and then the phone heated up, and from Facebook, Meta, whatever. But this thing about friendship and love and people who support you, whoever is on, there will be no readings at 2 p.m. Eastern. Feel free to ask your questions now, please. And I will only be on for 30 minutes. Now, friendship. I had to come on to share this. Friendship is a luxury yacht. That just came to me. Friendship is a luxury yacht on the high seas, through wind and storms. It never flounders, it never sinks. It's a friend who reminded me this morning, a friend of how long? I met her at WHO. How long? I think we've been friends about 25 years. And she reminded me of this. She said, Catherine, I don't think we have ever had a quarrel, and we were never bored together. This is a fact. Because friends support you, real friends not only support you, they accept you as you are. Warts and all, bad habits and all. And we have always been straight talking friends, you know. Friends tell you the truth, but they don't criticize. They will still come back and support you if they see that something is off, or if you tell them you're in it and you need help. So this is just a reminder. The next thing, I'm just throwing stuff for the dog to catch. Oh Lord, and it went in the wrong direction. I hope she finds it. The next thing is this. You have to share your light. You have to stand bright. You have to let your light shine. I had a vision early morning, and it was so blissful. It was so wonderful. And if no one comes on, by the time I'm finished, I'm signing off. And I'll just put up a notice that there will be no reading at 2 p.m. Eastern today. I saw a lantern. You know, the old-fashioned lanterns from the probably 17th century, maybe. I've seen many facsimiles, but they aren't that perfect, where it's glass. The policemen tended to use it, where it's all glass except for the top and bottom. And something came and just sliced off the top. No, that's not true. The top was actually off already. Hold on while I get the dog's toy. The top was actually off already, and the light was just flaming upward. However, then Dragon's tail just passed by and smashed it, and the light just exploded all out of beautiful, beautiful, beautiful golden light that just covered and encompassed everything. And this is what I want to share. Ladies and gentlemen, stand in your power. When you stand in your power, your light shines bright. People will see who you are. You are not for everybody, so don't expect everyone to support you, worse yet, to like you. That does not happen. And it is irrelevant because you, as we like to say in Trinidad and Tobago, you have your people. Continue to allow your light to shine bright, and you will attract your tribe, your people. Be authentic. Yeah, it's difficult. I mean, it can feel uncomfortable at times, but be authentic. Let your light shine bright and expand. That's why you are here. That is what it's all about.